Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tighten up your seat belts, कुर्सी को पीटियों को टाइट से बांध लीजिए क्योंकि अगर आपको एक ऐसी मनोरंजक फिल्म देखनी है, is all set to take you on a roller coaster ride filled with drama, emotion, suspense, thrill, then 14 August you need to mark your calendars. There's no prize for guessing that I'm talking about. The one and only, the film that is all set to entertain you next month on 14 August, MacGuffin. And today at Filmy, we have the talented and dynamic team of the film. Hi Nasir sir, hi Rohit sir, hi Saram. I hope you guys are doing well. कैसे हैं आप?
We're good.
Amazing.
Enjoying.
Welcome to Delhi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Such an interesting title, such an interesting concept. The world's first flat earth film. And the title of the film, to be very honest, it took me some time here. Say घूम गया. I had to research about it. So what was the idea, sir, behind keeping this as a title?
MacGuffin.
MacGuffin.
Actually, title जो होता है वो film is it in English or Hindi?
Anything.
So film का जो टाइटल होता है वो फिल्म जब बन रही होती है ना तो उस टाइम समझ में आता है ऐसा I mean we decide the title according to the subject of the film and how the film is turning out to be. So ये टाइटल बहुत बाद में मुझे क्लिक हुआ.
Okay.
So तो you know the meaning of
Meaning,
MacGuffin.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It's actually a device or a plot which is actually important for the character, and it also drives the plot. I was
Right.
researching about it.
Yeah.
So one thing that actually caught my attention, sir, was the trailer, which is all set to release soon. Like there are certain elements, codes. So I believe the audience has to put on the detective shoes, right? Detective shoes, detective goggles, everything. So while devising the trailer, what is the one thing, sir, that you kept in mind? Because let me be very honest, and I have to ask this to everyone. In today's time, Instagram का generation है, 20 सेकंड 25 सेकंड में अगर वो वीडियो if it strikes me people are going to watch it, otherwise not. So what is the one thing as a filmmaker that you keep in mind while devising such things?
See, first thing is audience बोर नहीं होनी चाहिए. बोरिंग मूवीज मैं भी नहीं देख सकता, मेरा भी अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत कम है, तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरी ऑडियंस को मैं टॉर्चर करूं, बोर करूं. सो वन थिंग इज दैट. सेकंड, आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ दीज सो कॉल्ड बॉलीवुड मूवीज राइट फ्रॉम माय चाइल्डहुड एंड मोस्ट ऑफ दीज मूवीज आर सो माइंडलेस कि आपको लगता है यार आपने अपने 2 घंटे 3 घंटे वेस्ट कर दिए. तो आई वांटेड टू व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड अपॉन बिकमिंग अ फिल्म मेकर, या जब ये इस जर्नी पे मैं चला, तो वन थिंग वाज वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन माय माइंड कि मैं ना माइंडफुल फिल्में बनाऊंगा, ऐसी फिल्म जिसे देखने के बाद ऑडियंस को लगे कि हाँ यार हमने कुछ तो देख लिया है, ये मेरी लाइफ को बदल दिया है इस फिल्म ने किसी ना किसी तरह से. सो दिस इज हाउ आई सी माय फिल्म्स. इसीलिए इतना टाइम लगता है मुझे स्क्रिप्टिंग पे, वो कॉन्सेप्ट पे, आइडियाज पे सबको अमेलगमेट करना, वर्कआउट करना, जिससे वो फिल्म ऑडियंस को इम्पैक्ट करे, वो कुछ असर डाले ऑडियंस पे, ऑडियंस सोचे उसके बाद यार ये मैंने क्या देखा था, कुछ बहुत अलग था.
So you talked about impact as a filmmaker, like it's your baby as you mentioned, it's a hard work product of 8-9 years. But at the same time, do you chase that commercial visibility? Like if I talk about numbers, like artists, they change social media numbers, box office numbers. But as a filmmaker, do you chase that box office number also? You want your product to remember forever? Because there are certain films, so 90s में 80s में release हुई होगी, sir, it might not have done worked well that time. But then it's a long shelf. So as a filmmaker, do you chase such things?
See, as a filmmaker, if you talk about my business model, I'm really inspired by what Christopher Nolan does with his films. So what he's doing is it's artistically brilliant and it's so mindful that you are completely engaged. It's so new, everything is so fresh. So that's one of my inspirations. And it's commercially so viable. उनकी फिल्में मतलब I think उनकी एक लास्ट फिल्म में तो $1 billion का बिजनेस करा था. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि ये दोनों चीजों को मैं कंबाइन करके, दिस इज माय अटेम्प्ट कि मैं इन दोनों चीजों को अमेलगमेट करूं, आर्ट और बिजनेस को, और ऑडियंस को सिर्फ आर्ट के नाम पे बोर ना करूं और सिर्फ कॉमर्स के नाम पे, कमर्शियल फिल्म के नाम पे मैं उनको सिर्फ ऐसा एक माइंडलेस सा कुछ भी ना चिपका दूं. तो मैं इन दोनों तक कॉम्बिनेशन बना के दिस इज हाउ आई सी माय सिनेमा, कि इन दोनों का एक कॉम्बिनेशन है और उसमें ऑडियंस को आई थिंक हिंदी सिनेमा में ये चीज मिसिंग है और मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं उसको एटलीस्ट मैं तो ये अटेम्प्ट कर रहा हूं कि ये चीज आ जाए.
And I hope, keeping fingers crossed, 14 August ko the results will be there.
Absolutely.
Hi ma'am, so you are looking all gracious, but I have to ask you one thing. Did you take your own sweet time? Sir, you have to say this also. Did she take her own sweet time in accepting this project and everything? Or she was immediately convinced, this is something I have to back?
No, immediately. Immediately,
He
I think.
hasn't convinced me.
Yeah, I didn't have to convince her.
But you
So
were,
we were-
mind blown by the concept.
Yes.
No, she didn't know the concept. She was just.
So
she was like,
I
if
was
Rohit is making
literally-
something,
I was
like-
literally not aware about the subject, and not even the story, nothing, and not even the name. तो रोहित की मैंने फर्स्ट फिल्म वॉच की
The
थी
Pickup
और आई हैव
Artist.
सीन हिम डूइंग हार्ड वर्क इन दैट फिल्म एज अ एक्टर एंड एज अ डायरेक्टर सो आई वाज हैविंग दैट यू नो दैट इमेज और मैंने हाँ बोल दिया
ये
कि
आई
ठीक है।
थिंक हाँ ये ऐसा ही कुछ ट्रस्ट था जैसे मैं सर से मिलता हूँ और मैं उनके अंदर एक अपना कैरेक्टर देखता हूँ और मुझे ट्रस्ट होता है कि हाँ ये बहुत अच्छा कैरेक्टर प्ले कर लेंगे ये प्रोफेसर सिमा का जो कैरेक्टर इन्होंने करा है आई थिंक वैसे ही कुछ ट्रस्ट सारा का रहा होगा कि हाँ रोहित फिल्म बना रहा है तो अच्छी बना लेगा
तो
Conviction थी.
मुझे
Conviction
मुझे
दिख
ये
रहा
पता था कि वो डब्बे में पैक तो नहीं होने वाली है
It's going to be something interesting and
Yes,
spicy,
कुछ
it's
तो-
entertaining.
कुछ तो निकलेगा
एंड आई थिंक पहली फिल्म क्योंकि बना ली थी और वो सारा को अच्छी लगी थी तो आई थिंक उससे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया होगा
So we talked about confidence or everything. Let's talk about Sir, the veteran actor is among us. You have Sir entertained us with different roles in all sorts of projects. So talking about this thing, like, did you also take your own sweet time in accepting, or you were immediately convinced with the writing, with the concept?
Yeah, I didn't take too long. My only concern is if the film script has obscene language, unnecessary the use of profane words, the F words and all that. That makes me very bored. So there were offers to do that film, and I said I don't want to do it. I don't like that stuff. Of course, aggressive parts, other stuff, and I've done some other negative parts which are worse maybe. But what impressed me about Rohit was, and it's impressing me now more, because मैं तो भूल गया था that I have done his film. Then suddenly he called me for dubbing Monday. I said, which film?
Which film?
सब कुछ भूल गया. हल्के हल्के filter वो अच्छा वो था अच्छा ये था. He said, when can you dub? When are you free? I'm coming to Delhi. You see you at that studio. I said, okay, cool. So I did my number. But here's the deal. What I'm seeing in Rohit is that, and also Madam here, Sarah, sees is that he is not into making formula films. You know, equation hota na, कि we will have 2 of the disco scenes, 3 of these scenes, some violent scene, 1 attempted rape scene, other this, ये वो, you know, 6-7 चीजें लगाई. Then they get the best cameraman from Chennai or from London. They have the best of the stuntman from LA, and then they have the best some script writer to help. All these foreign names they come in like we have a blockbuster. So he's not doing that at all. So that means he is someone who's experimenting very, very confidently about something that he's so sure of that he does not want to divulge the whole plot of the thing. So that really sort of gets me going. So it can still go either way. We don't know. I don't know the film. But what impresses me greatly about him is that he is not going the formula way. That is in itself a very unique achievement for him, I think. Because in this day and age, it's all about formula. ये दिखाओ वो दिखाओ, anything scandalous, anything, ये वो murder होगा, ये होगा, illicit love affair, वहाँ से यूँ, वहाँ से love trial, whatever. He may be showing that, but not in the way it is shown. So that makes me feel very positive about the film. And I'm really looking forward to it now. Though, as I told you earlier, I had forgotten I'd done this film. Now I'm really being forced to remember everything about the films, which I like. I like the idea. So looking forward to this one and see what he has up his sleeve.
So this brings me to the question, like, are our audience, Indian audience if I talk about, so matured and evolved that they can take up a subject like this? Because as you mentioned, there are multiple web series that are doing so well.
Yeah.
They have that kind of language, certain scenes.
Yeah.
But at the same time, don't you consider it's a kind of risk? Because while it's your baby, you want to showcase to the rest of the world, you are not revealing a lot of stuff. You are not opting for the traditional method. What's your take on it?
No, I think this is for all audiences. I don't see it as a niche audience film. I think this is a mass audience film. It's just that इस तरह की फिल्में क्योंकि बनती नहीं है, बना नहीं पाते हैं लोग, तो हमें ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ तो बहुत अलग नया और यूनिक है, पता नहीं ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट करेगी या नहीं, बट आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि जो भी उसे देखेगा वो इट्स इजी, इट्स नॉट ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे फिजिक्स की कुछ फॉर्मूलाज डाल दिए उसमें, ही प्लेज अ फिजिक्स प्रोफेसर, बट फिल्म जो है वो इस तरह की लैंग्वेज में सर्व की गई है ऑडियंस को कि ये हर तरह की ऑडियंस एंजॉय करेगी, जिसको ये सब नहीं समझ में आएगा वो बाकी चीजें एंजॉय कर लेगा, वो इस तरह की फिल्म है। सो आई सी इट एज अ वेरी मास फिल्म, आई डोंट थिंक कि ये ऐसी एक नीश फिल्म है, तो वो सबके लिए है।
Do you think our Indian audience is evolved mature? They can watch.
मेरे को लगता है इंडियन ऑडियंस इतनी इवॉल्व हो गई है कि उनको क्रेविंग होती है कि कोई ऐसी फिल्म आ क्यों नहीं रही है, बना क्यों नहीं रही है बॉलीवुड। आप जहां
I might want to add to what you're saying that yes, the one thing is for sure that audiences in the metro cities for sure will relate to it. That feeling I've already got, so that is not an issue. What I'm also thinking is that now through the internet and otherwise social media, all this other stuff has actually permeated into smaller towns and villages, and a lot of people know a lot of stuff about everything because they have had the exposure. So it is very likely that the people in the smaller towns, and even in some of the villages, the mildly educated people will like this film. That's the interesting part.
That's the best part. Like the kind of confidence you guys have, like it's amazing. As a journalist, as a viewer, we also love to back such products. So the kind of confidence you guys have, that's amazing.
मेरी एक्चुअली पहली फिल्म थी ना द पिकअप आर्टिस्ट, वो आधी फिल्म इंग्लिश में थी, तो मैंने डेलिबरेटली इस फिल्म को हिंदी में रखा है क्योंकि उस फिल्म वो जब थिएटर्स में रिलीज हुई तो मुझे बहुत सारा इस तरह की जनता जो कि इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से समझती नहीं थी, उन जनता का थोड़ा सा बैकलैश मिला था। फिर भी उन्होंने फिल्म एंजॉय करी, पूरी देखी, बट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार अगर ये फिल्म पूरी हिंदी में होती तो शायद ये फिल्म और ज्यादा चल जाती सिनेमा में, और ज्यादा ऑडियंस इससे रिलेट कर पाती, स्पेशली हमारी जो देसी ऑडियंस है, जो हमारी इंडियन हिंदी स्पीकिंग बेल्ट है। तो फिर इसलिए अब पिकअप आर्टिस्ट तो अब चलिए मैं बदल नहीं सकता था, और शायद वो सब्जेक्ट ऐसा था जो पूरी तरह हिंदी में नहीं बनाया जा सकता था। पर जब मैंने मैगफिन बनाई और लिखी, जब मैंने उसका सब कुछ डेवलप करा, डायलॉग्स वगैरह लिखे, तो मैंने डेलिबरेटली मोस्टली चीजें जो है वो हिंदी में ही रखी है। तो ये फिल्म 99% हिंदी में ही है, तो बहुत आसानी से अब एटलीस्ट लोग समझ पाएंगे इसको।
And before you guys watch my film, you definitely need to watch The Pickup Artist on Prime, because as I mentioned, it's definitely going to not only entertain you, but also deliver a very important message, and it has worked so well in so many international film festivals.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you deserve the credit. Sir, talking about you, you are the man of the hour, the star of the evening. You have worked with some of the biggest names in the industry. What is that one thing, sir, like that drives you as an artist, and not only talking about as an artist, but also as a human, like while picking up projects? Do you believe, as I talked about him, do you believe in chasing numbers, or do you believe in doing roles that people are going to talk about in the near future?
Well, I don't think about people talking about much later something, क्योंकि मेरी हालत काफी खस्ता होती है already. I don't know what's going on. So I basically say yes, as I told you, to most films. तो मैं तो, because I don't have a lot of work, which I don't actually complain about, because I'm recently single, so I don't have to worry about sending the children to Harvard and sending the wife to the beauty, whatever, the parlor. Both are very expensive. So I don't have to worry about these things. So I don't get worried if I don't have work. Having said that, I don't think too much about it. I just do it. Because here is the deal. I don't know what's going to happen to the film. Some films I've done have done extremely well. 2 films I did, they got 3 national awards. So that is Phase 3 and Mitra, My Friend, which is filmed in California.
You played the lead role, right?
Huh?
You played the title role.
Yeah, in Mitra, I played in.
I watched the film.
Yeah,
before I met you, I watched the film.
Lovely. And I had no idea, but it got the Best Feature Film Award in English, it got the Best Editing Award, and it got the Best Actress. So Shobana, who was my wife in the film, shared the Best Actress Award with Tabu for Chandni Bar.
Yeah.
So, and both were amazing. I mean, Chandni Bar was really amazing. So Madhur Bhandarkar was very impressed when he saw me. He was wondering if I would be able to speak Hindi or not, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी में फिल्म थी ये, और एक American accent थोड़ा बहुत मैंने हल्का सा झाड़ा होता, but it was okay. So he wondered if I could act in Hindi, but I did, of course. और ज़्यादातर मेरी अंग्रेजी में ही वैसे लाइन थी, बट हिंदी मेरी अच्छी खासी है, जैसा आपने नोट किया होगा. और हेमा मालिनी ने भी नोट कर लिया था उस जमाने में.
So that's why she offered you. Like she was very impressed by you. She offered you Dil Hai Aashna.
Yeah, firstly I was good looking.
You
Secondly,
still are. Still are.
Absolutely.
I forced them to say
You
that.
still are.
नहीं सर आप तो
But
अभी-
no.
Anyway, also because I look like Dharmender a little, and I reminded her, and she fell for it. She said, "Yes, you do later." She said that to me. झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. And so I just got lucky somehow. तो मैं actually I used to shy away from the movies because I was not very confident of my vocal abilities. तो इश्तिहार में ये होता है, it's a 30-second film. 30 सेकंड की फिल्म होती है, उसमें क्या क्या दिखाएंगे, मेरे कितने डायलॉग दिखा देंगे. अगर मिक्सी का ऐड है तो उन्होंने मिक्सी भी दिखानी है कि काम कर रही है, वाटरमेलन जूस ऐसे बन रहा है, फिर बच्चों को दे रहे हैं, फिर वो है यूं, फिर उनकी लाल लाल मूछें आ रही हैं यहाँ पे, वो दिखाए मूछें, या फिर लस्सी का ऐड है तो लस्सी की मूछें. They have to show all that. 30 seconds, it's all over.
It's all over.
तो 2, 3, 4, 5 looks थी, खुशी की, गम की, ये वो, and you're done. So I liked that. I was not very sure of myself, but I got lucky with this film, and it was fun. And I had a nice lady to play my wife. Later I had Mummy Chaudhary कह रहा हूँ,
Mahima Chaudhary, yeah.
And before I had Sonu
Sonu
Walia.
Walia, yeah.
What a gorgeous.
Sonu pe Suhaga.
I know. She's a-
So as I mentioned, you worked with some of the biggest stars, Shah Rukh Khan sir,
Yeah.
Dil Aashna hai, abhi Akshay Kumar sir in Bol Bachchan. So what is the one thing that if you could talk about sharing screen space with them, your experience?
बस जी मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो यही कहूँगा कि मैं I'm sort of a little unsettled because I had to perform and थोड़ा सा डर लगता है मुझे because I'm not used to doing much because for 25 years I only face the camera for ad films. 30 सेकंड वाली जो होती हैं तो मेरे बड़े ऐसे में आराम से सुखी सुखी बैठा. अब जब लाइन में इतनी लंबी लंबी आई तो मेरे तो पसीने छूट गए. सो माय एक्सपीरियंस इज के बस मैं इस दिशा में जाकर मैं अपना प्यार से निकलना हूँ कि मेरी लाइनें डिलीवर हो जाए. मैं ज़्यादा किसी और के साथ खेलना मिलना नहीं चाहता. तो but everybody sort of knows me that way. So when Amitabh met me once or twice, he was like, "Arey, Janab, kya haal hai?" And you know, they all mean very graciously. But I have to tell you a joke. This is again the comedy. I met Aishwarya Rai about 3 years ago at the wedding of Ramola Bachchan's son or daughter to another actor, some Kohli, Kunal something.
Kunal.
And so I saw Aishwarya, she was there with a child, and Amitabh and everybody. So I met Aishwarya with whom I worked many years ago for a fashion shoot. Nothing more. 95 mein. So I told her, I said, "Oh Aishwarya, my God, hi, how are you?" And she said, "Oh, hi." And I said, "My God, you look the same." So she said, And I said, "You know what? I said, people are saying the same thing about me." मैंने अपने आप को भी कुछ दे दिया उसमें कि मैं नहीं कर. I mean, I like to fool around. So, you know, it was a bit of a joke. But, you know, they say that also about me a bit. So, and she was wonderful. This is before she became an actress. It was a Society magazine ka wo tha fashion feature in which she wore this lovely gown. She looked like Vivian Leigh in Gone with the Wind, you know, this great beauty. And I saw her and I was like, my God, she's so good. This is after makeup. Before her makeup, मैंने हाँ देखा हाँ.
Okay. Who is she?
फिर जब 1 घंटे बाद जब वो उठी कर्रा लगा के और वो उफ, तो मैं बंदर की तरह उनके आसपास नाच रहा था बहुत. So that was like 95 or something. Which was 95 कितने साल हो गए? 30 years.
30 years.
मैं तो बहुत छोटा था.
30 years something.
So it's-
I was not born then.
yeah, he was not born.
I was.
So anyway, the truth of the matter is, I'm always looking forward to work with the best, and I'm always looking at basically मेरा जो खौफ होता है कि भाई, because I'm not very comfortable as an actor, so I did stage as well. Many years ago, I did a comedy play in which I had to work very hard. I had to do like 55 rehearsals. और रोज जाता था मैं 3 घंटे वहाँ पे बैंड करके then I used to come back. तो उससे मैं निखर गया थोड़ा सा.
But you know, as they say that cinema is director's medium. So actually actors कोई जो भी कास्ट करता है, जैसे मैं भी किसी को कास्ट करता हूँ, तो वो डायरेक्टर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है उससे काम निकलवाना, कैसे उसको वो मोटिवेट करना है या जिस तरह से भी वर्कशॉप्स करनी है, जो भी करना है, So finally, it's the directors this thing कि वो निकलवा ही लेते हैं एक्टर्स से काम निकलवाना ही पड़ता
Talk
है
about casting.
चाहे कुछ भी
एक
मतलब
बात-
डायलॉग भूले नहीं
एक
भूले
बात
जो भी।
आपके लिए और आपके लिए मैं बताना चाह एक्चुअली है मेरे लिए बट सॉरी बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज द ट्रूथ सो मच लेटर ड्यूरिंग द फिल्मिंग ऑफ दिलासना है व्हेन इट वाज डबिंग मबिंग शुरू होनी थी उससे पहले हेमा मालिनी सेड दैट टू मी शी सेड अगर आप उस दिन मेरे घर ना आते आई वुड हैव नेवर कास्ट यू शी सेड आई न्यू यू आई न्यू हु यू वर आई सॉ योर एड्स यू वर लुकिंग गुड सब
Right.
था लेकिन उस दिन अगर आप ना आते तो मैं आपको कास्ट नहीं तो इसका मतलब ये है the actor has to make attempts to meet the potential director, producer or casting in charge or the assistant director or somebody otherwise how will they know
Right.
क्या तो she said that अच्छा उसके बावजूद मैंने सुन तो लिया समझ भी ली बात लेकिन ठीक से बैठी नहीं अंदर तो मैंने ज्यादा फिर नेटवर्क तब भी नहीं किया हालांकि she told me directly and straight if you had not come to my house that day and I knew you she said I knew you you look nice you look like Dharmender but sorry come to me otherwise no work another part just 10 minutes मैंने वहाँ
The
पे
right
spend
time,
किए
like
10 minutes and I was done
I think
Yeah,
it's a lot about familiarity. I knew sir for I don't know
Yeah.
more than 7-8 years. You know that is the time when I sort of promised him that whenever I become a filmmaker,
You
तब
are
मैं
going to
नया
be
नया
there.
TV actor TV की acting से बाहर निकला था and I was like trying to think कि मैं film कैसे बनाऊंगा क्या होगा. तो जब मैंने
and he didn't have to promise me
Yeah, I mean, but I remember
I mean,
मैंने
he
सर को
didn't-
बोला था मैंने तो एक बार so I wrote a
He
character for
fulfilled his
he
promise.
didn't
I
have,
did.
he didn't have a gun to his head कि dinner होएगा
But the kind of talent he brings on the table.
और in my heart I knew कि यार मतलब मैंने बोला है तो मुझे करना है
Yeah,
मेरे
fulfill.
कमिटमेंट के मामले में मैं सलमान खान से भी आगे हूँ
I have what you can say kind of an actor's face, a certain personality. So a lot of people think of me in a certain way. A lot of people have told me that oh I'd love to cast you in this part. I'd love to cast you there. Even murder का part था उसने कहा कि आपका because he knew I play on the flute. तो उसने कहा मेरे पास एक रोल है जहाँ पे there is a murder. तो मर्डर करने से पहले वो फ्लूट बजाता है
30 मिनट
मैंने कहा ये बड़ी अजीब बात है पहले फ्लूट बजाता है फिर जान से मारता है पागलपना है but they had all kinds of ideas so I got lucky and he saw that and here I am sitting next to
because
him
it's a visual medium. I think most of the casting is how you look. If you look like the part, that's 80% of the job is done.
Yeah.
So you
Had you
talk-
not looked like a physics professor that I had in mind,
lines
there
are
was
also
no way I was.
lines are also important to deliver
Yeah.
where I almost failed him
No,
where I
absolutely
almost
not.
failed him
No. I mean, finally
Vice.
we got it. So
Yeah.
that's
that's
So
good.
you
Yeah.
talked about casting, sir. I have to ask you. Do you believe the recent trends of having social media influencers as actor? Do you think it's going to be there in the longer run? It's going to fizzle out soon? Do they just bring visibility? Because at times, if you see, they're not able to act. Do you believe this trend is going to be there in the longer run?
See, there is one how much of an actor do you need in the film, and there is one how much of a star do you need in the film. So when someone is casting an influencer or a star in the film, they are relying on the commerce of it कि ये ड्राइव कर देगा ऐसा फॉलोअर है इसका तो ये शायद हमारे प्रोडक्ट को वो बना देगा सक्सेसफुल बना देगा. So that's a commercial way of thinking about it. There's nothing wrong in it. If they can act as well and if they can play the part, why not? I mean, they are just like any other star then, right? In their own way.
So what's
So
your
why-
take on it? आपने कभी किसी सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ एक्ट किया है कोई डायलॉग भूल गए हो? Because you are a veteran, you are a star, but कभी ऐसा हुआ है shared screen space?
क्या हुआ
With a social media influencer, what's your take on it?
I don't know very much about social media influencers
If you have got an opportunity to act with
opposite
yeah,
to one
and-
of them
yeah, do you believe they
Well,
are?
there was one of these ladies who's very active. I forget her name, and I did a film which was a little strange. I played a kind of a playboy type guy. So
You have done it all, sir. Has done it all.
acting as something
Yeah.
is another story. For example, I had to gift a girl a 2-bedroom apartment in Juhu. That's in the film. And the truth is that I was staying as a paying guest in Warsaw. तो गिफ्ट मैं उसको गिफ्ट दे रहा हूँ अपार्टमेंट की ये ले चाबियाँ और मेरी खुद मेरे पेइंग गेस्ट की चाबियाँ मेरे लैंडलॉर्ड के पास हैं So that is okay. I had to play that part because I had to play a very what do you call it? One of those exuberant,
Flamboyant.
incorrigible flirt who's constantly having affairs because he has all the money. So he's really having so-called nice time.
That suits your real life.
It doesn't suit me because I don't do it. So it doesn't suit me. Thank you very
should
much.
maybe.
It suits the way I look maybe because they all think, Acha, one thing they always say, like 20 years ago they would say, we want someone like, a kind of an Anil Ambani or a Vijay Mallya. मेरे को देखते हैं मैंने कहा ले मैं तो ऑटो में घूम रहा हूँ तो मुझे विजय माल्या बनाया जिसके पास यॉट है मैंने कहा ठीक है why not they do what they have
So at Filmy Beat, we don't miss a single beat, so we have shortage of time. So you guys are now the businessmen. The audience is the customer. You have to give me 5 reasons why people should watch McGuffin on 14 hours. Starting with ma'am. She is going to give 3 reasons.
okay they'll give you a discount
No, 2 मुझसे निकल गए.
The subject of the film is entirely different, and so it has all the elements.
The masala, entertainment, everything is loaded.
Everything is there. Everything is loaded. So
And it has both of them.
yeah.
I'll give it third. So you, what do you?
I think subject is very, very new. The flat earth theory, I think it's worth exploring the subject. It's world's first flat earth film. तो and it is based on a book called The Flat Earth Conspiracy. तो मुझे लगता है ये जो सब्जेक्ट है अगर कोई थोड़ी सी भी रिसर्च करेगा तो उसको समझ में आएगा कि ये कितना इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है क्योंकि ये मेरे जहन से तो निकला नहीं है पिछले 10 साल में जब से मैंने ये फिल्म को डेवलप करना शुरू करा है जब से स्टार्ट हुआ है मेरे तो आज भी मुझे ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है ये सब्जेक्ट और तो एक ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा मुझे लगता है इसकी वजह से लोगों को फिल्म देखनी चाहिए एंड देन आई थिंक one thing that we are missing is the performances of all the actors. There's so many newcomers. This सर अपनी लाइनें तो भूल गए थे बट जो फाइनल परफॉर्मेंसेस निकल के आई है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है मुझे लगता है बहुत we were blessed with so many amazing actors और उन सबका काम बहुत अच्छा है तो एक्टिंग पार्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है अपार्ट फ्रॉम माई एक्टिंग मुझे नहीं पता मेरा काम कितना अच्छा हो तो ऑडियंस बताएगी बट बाकी जो एज अ डायरेक्टर मैंने बाकी एक्टर्स का काम देखा है और उनका काम मैंने समझा है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है तो सबको मजा है
एक रीजन प्रोफेसर साहब आप तो बोलेंगे वन रीजन व्हाई ऑडियंस वॉच
जी सो ये मेरा this is how I'd like to explain it that if the audience knows what I know now at first I didn't. What I know now about him and his plan and his experiment and his vision and the fact that he's not ये फॉर्मूला फिल्म नहीं है जो आमतौर पे बनाई जाती है विद ऑल द रेलेवेंट प्रोड्यूसर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स कि हम ये हैं ये है ये लाए में वो लाए में और ये 5 सीन ये 6 सीन ये 3 अपना डिस्को नंबर 2 आइटम नंबर एंड यू हैव अ हिट सो ही इज नॉट डूइंग दैट If he's not doing that, that means it is a serious film somewhere worth watching and he has a theory. He has a point of view to be looked at, which I think we should encourage by watching the film and finding out how important was it. If it is not any good, the point he makes or whatever, he can be told and it's okay. He will accept it. He's very humble that way. I feel that too. Because the audience ultimately is the judge. So, audience, go and watch the film and be the judge. And I'll give you some chocolate fudge.
And shower them with lots of love. So, audience, if you love entertainment, at the same time you want a film that is honest, that is all set to take on a roller coaster ride, at the same time which is made with a lot of love, you know what to do on 14 hours because they are all set to not only entertain you but also deliver a solid message. For more updates, keep us watching on Filmy Beat.